Hello guys, we will be doing a toy review on this cute Gabby's dollhouse phone. I found it at Walmart. You guys out there could find it on Amazon or Target or possibly even Fred Meyer. Alright, so let's get into it and see how this cute little phone works. Oops, sorry. So this button, I know, turns it on. Oh, isn't that cute?
Hi, it's me, Gabby. Meow, amazing. Press the button to play.
She got little...
DJ's music. It's
Papa, did you meow?
Time. Blow it to the microphone. Fantastic. Press the numbers to hear some music.
See.
Press left, right.
Sorry guys, my brother Colton is playing in the background. And then there's this app.
Cake pattern fun. Help Cakey Cat decorate the cake. Level 1. What shape is needed to complete the
It's
pattern?
very
Press left
educational
or right
for
to
your
choose.
kiddos.
Then press OK. Meow.
This is patterns. As you can see, kids at home, this is a flower and it goes right here. This hopscotch memory, I think it's actually pretty good for me.
Hopscotch memory.
Because I have trouble
Choke
with level 3.
paws.
Then
Level
it stops
1.
at level 3.
Can you repeat the order? Fantastic.
There's this app too.
Magic potion
If your
counting.
kiddo is having trouble
Make
with
a magic
counting, this
potion.
is really great.
Level 1. Find 4 diamonds. Press
Oh, it's right there.
Hooray!
And there's even settings.
Settings. Press left or right to choose. Then press OK to confirm.
You know, I found this Bluey phone and I actually saw that this phone is just like it.
Press left or right. Meow.
This changes the shade of it. So this is lighter, medium, and dark. I don't know if you guys at home can tell.
Press left or right.
Oh, here's my ringtone. There's 3 to choose from. And then there's also, like, they give you kind of like voice messages. Well, is that bright for you guys at home? Can't tell exactly
It's
what's
meow
happening.
time.
And I'm taking.
Amazing. Press the button to
And
play.
you can send a voice message back.
Please leave a message after the beep.
Hi, Gabby. What's up?
Meow. Press left or right to choose.
There's this
Then
button you can do for a full call.
chat with friends. Hi, it's me, Gabby. Let's call the Gabby Cat.
Here's their phone number, it shows you. Now we're calling them.
How do you feel? Speak into the microphone.
Thanks, Gabby. I feel very happy right now.
Cat-tastic. Do you like baking? Speak into the microphone.
Yeah, it's actually pretty neat.
Cakey Cat loves baking. Are you
There
ready
he
for a
is with
hug?
his little cake.
Speak into the microphone.
Uh-oh, Pandy's gonna hug attack me.
Hug attack! You like flowers?
Where's my Pandy?
Speak into the
Oh,
microphone.
crud. Pandy, where are you? Pandy? Pandy? Uh-oh. I think he's missing. Pandy? I don't think I can find him. Hopefully he doesn't hug attack me by the end of the video. Anyway, pretty much the end video. We just gotta figure out how to hang up.
How do you feel?
So,
Speak
it's
into
this.
the microphone.
Okay, Gabby, gotta let you go now. Bye.
Cat-tastic. Meow.
Nice touch.
Hi, it's me, Gabby.
And you can turn it off again like this.
Bye.
So this phone has really nice features. It has like automatic shut off, but it doesn't have it does not really have volume control. But it's nice and tough and durable. I even put some stickers on it, on the battery packs. I don't know if you can tell, but at the beginning of the channel, I really seemed to be into Octonauts. So that's what these are all about. And yeah, I just honestly think this is a really cute phone. And I'm looking forward to Gabby's Dollhouse. This is more new goodies coming out soon. And we're thinking maybe we can buy the Cakey Kitchen set. But I'd probably have to clean up my room a little more first. Anyway, Bubba, what should our YouTube channel of the day be? Let's see. Bubba, do you know? You know you're on video, right? Caesar. You're not responding. How about our YouTube channel of the day goes to the Bluey official channel. Congratulations, Bluey, you're now the channel of the day. That's the thing we're dancing about. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.